Here we go. This is going to be a quick one today. Literally, kind of pun intended there. We're going to do an unboxing. We're going to open, install, and set up this USB 3.0 hub from ACASIS. It is they're powered switches. I believe there are 10. There are 10. And the key is here, I need to hook up a bunch of hard drives, but I still need the speed. So instead of going through a regular hub where you lose the speed, I thought I'd go with this and try it out. And what we'll do is we're going to hook it up, and then we are going to do a quick speed test and see if we lose any speed or we're at the same speed as when we hook up directly to the computer. Let's try it out. All right, let's see what it comes with. We have the switch itself, some cables, and a power supply. Let's set it up, see how it all works. Okay, I'm sure it's hard for you to see that, but my hard drive is averaging 100 up and 100 down directly connected to the computer. Let's try putting it through this switch and see how it works. Here's my basic setup. I just simply took a zip tie, attached it there, plugged the drive in. Let's test it and see how the speed is now. I've tested it. Again, I know this is blurry because this is not designed to be used this way, but as you can see through the blur, it is 97 up, 96 as an average, which we're within like 2% of where we were without this switch. So I think that's really cool because now I could hook up to 10 drives without wasting parking space in terms of my USB ports. I'm a fan.